Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Man, we got something pretty cool that is a Blade HQ exclusive. That's right, we're going to take a look at the CRKT Sketch Olive Drab Green and D2 Steel. I know, this one's only available on Blade HQ, which I thought was kind of neat. It also made it a neat, different collectible. But as usual, CRKT always includes some propaganda about a blade. There you go. This one's the M16-14 SFG, which is just Special Forces Group. I think I reviewed that one, but still. Alrighty guys, without much further ado, here is the blade. That OD green on that copper finish, I knew it had to come here. Now they do have it in like a satiny finish with like a black scale, but just black stainless scale. Well, kind of along those lines. But still, I really like the look of that. It really reminded me of Lucas's tuna that I brought to the channel a little bit ago, especially with like the two-tone pivot screw and the washers and everything. It's just kind of cool. But yeah, I had to bring this one. Okay, so like I said, Blade HQ exclusive, Lucas Burnely design. It's got an overall length to it of, there we go, a little bit better. Overall length of about 6.625 inches. The blade is 2.75. Enclosed, it's 875. Sorry, couldn't even read my own writing. The Sharpie's bleeding into the paper. It has a minor weight to it of about 2.30 ounces. Done in what they call the Warncliffe style, which I can kind of see with like that little bump up there. But still, plain edge with a flat grind, and like I said, the copper finish. Yeah, I've been using it to play with some stuff, as you can kind of see right there, but still. Like I said, it does have D2 steel. Did they put that on there somewhere? No, but okay. A little bit of forward jumping there. Now, it does have a singular olive drab green textured G10 scale. Yeah, neat. Okay, it does have a stainless steel frame with a frame lock, and there's only one way to carry her, which is a right-hand carry tip up. Now, it does have the little thumb hole opening here, lanyard hole, and it is made in China. Alright, now let's do those wonderful cut tests that we do here on the channel. If you're brand new to the channel, we usually only do 3, and they are 3 pretty simple ones. First one, heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, yeah. Okay, so, let's see if we can get a curly Q. Yeah, I'll take that as a yes. Alright, the reason I go for those curly Qs, guys, is anyone can just take a blade and go sharp. But if you maintain your angle and you go really, really slowly, that'll do. You should get stuff like that, where the paper is basically rolling back into itself. That way it's going to show you there's really not any micro abrasions or chips or dents or dings or anything like that on your brand new stabby. And yeah, I picked up some paper flakes there, but that's okay. Alright, next up, paracord. Alright, simple pull test. Not a problem. And let's go with a slice. Oh yeah, right through. And yes, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. There's times I actually feel bad about cutting them up, but still. Right through. I know, it sounded shocked, but I don't know why. Okay, so like we always take a look. I don't really see anything on the blade. Don't really see any paper or any other fuzzies or anything else like that. But okay, so I did all the homework and all the fun background, all that great stuff on this on October 7th, 2020. Now, like I said, this is a Blade HQ exclusive, so I went, just for fun, looking on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. Amazon, this isn't found, or the regular sketch is not found on October 7th, 2020. On CRKT.com, all they have is the satin finish one for $39.99, and it hasn't been reviewed yet. On Blade HQ, this one's going to run you $49.95. It's been reviewed 4 times for a 4 out of 5 star rating. Whew, tongue-tied, sorry. Okay, now, I like it. It reminded me of another one. It feels great in hand. It looks great with my carry. And that copper on olive drab finish is just beautiful to me. But we're at the most important part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I really do want to know. Like I said, it's going to go into my daily rotation. I really love it. So with that being said, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we do things really differently here on the channel, and I hope you like what you saw. For you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, I'm going to ask you why. What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do, and we can see what we can do to change the course of the history of this channel. You never know if your suggestion can have that much of an impact. Alright, with that fun stuff being said, after you guys have done all that neat stuff for me, take a look right down there. Going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. That's going to take you right to subscribe. Now, after you've knocked it out the way, if you so choose, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, that's a great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every time this channel releases a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, and that's why we come here, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Blade HQ CRKT Sketch exclusive. Thanks so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day today. I hope all of you are being safe, and we'll see you in the next video.